Hello everybody. Welcome back to 2 Tech Explorers. In this video, we will learn about privacy concerns in artificial intelligence. Privacy concerns in AI arise due to the vast amounts of data collected, processed, and utilized by AI systems. Here are some key privacy concerns related to AI. 1. Data collection and storage. AI systems often rely on extensive data collection to learn and make informed decisions. However, this data can include personal and sensitive information, such as personal preferences, health records, financial details, or location data. Privacy concerns emerge when data is collected without explicit consent, or when data storage and security practices are inadequate, potentially leading to unauthorized access, breaches, or misuse. 2. Profiling and targeting. AI algorithms can create detailed profiles of individuals based on their online activities, behavior, and preferences. These profiles may be used to target individuals with personalized advertisements, recommendations, or content. While personalization can enhance user experiences, there is a risk of excessive profiling, manipulation, or discriminatory targeting. 3. Inferences and predictions. AI algorithms are designed to make predictions and inferences based on available data. However, privacy concerns arise when these predictions and inferences reveal sensitive information or invade an individual's privacy. For example, AI systems used in credit scoring may predict an individual's financial behavior based on various factors, potentially leading to decisions that can impact their access to financial services without their knowledge or understanding of the underlying process. 4. Facial recognition and biometric data. AI-powered facial recognition systems can capture and analyze facial features for identification purposes. This technology raises significant privacy concerns, as it involves the collection and processing of biometric data without explicit consent. Misuse or unauthorized access to such data can lead to surveillance, tracking, or other privacy infringements. 5. Data anonymization and re-identification. Anonymizing data, removing personally identifiable information, is often employed to protect privacy. However, AI algorithms can sometimes re-identify individuals by linking supposedly anonymized data with external datasets. This poses privacy risks, especially when sensitive information is inadvertently disclosed or individuals can be identified through indirect means. 6. Lack of transparency and explainability. Many AI systems, such as deep learning models, operate as complex black boxes, making it challenging to understand how they arrive at specific decisions or predictions. Lack of transparency and explainability raises concerns about the ability to audit and verify whether AI systems are handling personal data appropriately or making biased or discriminatory decisions. Addressing privacy concerns in AI requires robust privacy frameworks, clear data protection regulations, and responsible AI practices. It involves implementing privacy by design principles, ensuring informed consent for data collection and usage, employing strong security measures, promoting transparency and explainability in AI systems, and establishing mechanisms for individuals to exercise control over their personal data. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please like the video and subscribe the channel.